Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P11 and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. Now to get started, simply hold the power key and from there select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold power key, volume up and volume down at the same time. Now I am gonna just flip the device a little bit and actually grab it, just because it's a little bit easier for me to press all these keys at the same time with one hand. So all of them at the same time. It will start turning on and then you see this right here, recovery mode, which is upside down. Don't worry, it will then flip again. So there we go. And that is how you boot into recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the options, as you can see. And power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And quickly going over the accessible options to us, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We have Reboot to Bootloader or Enter Fastboot Mode. We have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off the device. So there we go, those are all the options. I'm gonna stick with the first one just so I can get back to my operating system. Once I confirm it, it will initiate a reboot of the device and start booting up into the typical Android. And as you can see, we are now back. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.